Start.
Hello, good afternoon. Myself, I'm Frederick from the module of Global Operations, and we are doing a presentation based on the impact of globalization on the adoption of lean production in global services organizations. And this is mainly based on the case study of DHL Express. Here we are a group of four, myself, Frederick, as I told earlier, and we have my other colleagues, Shibin, Isaac, and Sujit. So we'll be explaining this presentation. So the introduction for this presentation is that the globalization has transformed services and organization manage operations and its efficiency. And the lean production, once a manufacturing concept, is now widely adopted in logistics, healthcare, and finance sectors. And this representation explores how DHL Express, a global logistic leader, implements lean to enhance sustainability and its competitiveness. It also discusses the environmental impacts and strategies for effective lean adoption and mitigation of challenges. They aim to critically assess how lean supports DHL's sustainable global or operations. Moving on to the next slide. Here, I would like to discuss what is lean production. So basically, lean production, it is a philosophy aimed at eliminating waste and maximizing the consumer value. So they mainly focuses on five key principles. They are value identification, value stream mapping, flow creation, pull system, and at last, the fifth, continuous improvement. Moreover, they also promotes the efficiency, employee empowerment, and consumer satisfaction, which I believe is the backbone of a company. And lean aligns also aligns its operational efficiency with sustainable goals through its optimization. Moving on to the next slide. And as we in this slide, we will be talking about the historical background of lean. As mentioned in this slide, they are originated from Toyota Production System, the TPS, developed by Tiachi Oho and AG Toyota post World War II. Initially, they focused on reducing waste and improving production flow. And after their development, Western companies adopted these lean principles during the 1980s as global competition increased. The success of Toyota inspired global industries to embed lean as a universal operational strategy. Over time, lean expanded beyond manufacturing to services like logistics and healthcare. Globalization and lean thinking. Globalization promotes international integration and knowledge transfer across industries. It also enables global diffusion of lean practices across cultural and geographical boundaries. The firms are under constant pressure to remain competitive, cost effective, and sustainable. So, whereas DHL Express applies lean globally to standardize their equality and improve services across 220 plus countries. Lean also supports global competitiveness by creating value through efficiency and adaptability. So, on the next slide, my colleague Shibin will be continuing with the next slide. So, thank you, and moving on to Shibin.
Okay, thank you, Frederick. And today now I am explaining about why lean matters in service organization. In service involve integrity, human involvement, and variable demand. Lean help minimize delays, reduce errors, and improvement customer experience. Promote process transparency and accountability, and support digital transformation through efficient workflows and automation. And examples: call centers management, healthcare process improvement, and logistic optimizations. And, and explain about case organization in the DHL Express overview. DHL Express is a global logistic company operate in 220 plus countries and territories. provides time-critical international delivery and supply chain services. It's mission focused on operation excellence and sustainable logistics. Adopts Lean and Six Sigma for process standardization and continuous improvement. Employment employs Lean across HAP, warehousing, and delivery operations to improve performances. And I'm explaining about Lean tools used by DHL. 5S. It includes sorts, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. It improves workspace efficiency. Value stream mapping identifies process bottlenecks and waste. Kaizen encourages small continuous improvement by employees. And define, measure, analyze, improve, control, also known as DMAIC, enhances process control. These tools collectively improve quality, delivery time, and resource utilization. And I'm explaining about impact of lean on environment. Lean waste elimination align with environment sustainability goals. DHL reduces carbon emissions through the route and optimization and energy efficient operation. Implement paperless documentation and fuel efficient fleets. Lean enables efficient use of packaging and material resources. Result including lower CO2 output and improved operational sustainability. And potential issues in lean adoption. Globalization enables sharing of green logistic practice across DHL's global network. Lean complements DHL Go Green initiative targeting carbon neutralization by 2050. Integrates lean and green practice for reduce emission and enhance resource use, and encourages sustainability as a global operational standard, and it strengthens DHL's global environmental leadership. And the rest of the slides will be explained by my colleague Isaac.
Okay,
Isaac.
thank you, Shibin.
Yeah, you're welcome.
In this slide, I'll be talking about the key challenges in lean implementation. All right, the first one is employee resistance, which is the fear of change and increased accountability. The second one is cultural differences, which is lean concepts may clash with local work cultures. The third one is training gaps, which is lack of lean knowledge among employees. The fourth one is complex global operations, which is difficult to standardize globally. And the last one is external disruptions, which is pandemics, wars, trade issues hinder consistency. Okay, the next slide, uh, I'll be talking about the lean implementation strategy for DHL. All right, the first one is leadership commitment. Senior management must drive lean transformation. We also have cross-functional collaboration, which means that it aligns team across departments and regions. We also have employee empowerment. It encourages feedback and problem-solving initiatives. We also have training and development, which states that it has continuous lean training sections and workshops. And the last one, performance metrics. They use PIEs to track lean effectiveness. Okay, over to the next slide. The next slide is integration of lean with digitalization. DHL integrate lean with industry technologies for greater efficiency. They also use tools like LOT-T, AI, and robotics for real-time data analytics and process automation. They also use predictive analysis because it improves route optimization and maintenance. Digital dashboards support continuous improvement and transparency. It also merges Lean's philosophy with digital innovation for smarter logistics. The next slide. Employee engagement in Lean transformation. Okay, employees' participation ensures successful Lean implementation. DHL Certified International Specialist Program enhances Lean culture globally. Employees contribute to process improvements and innovation. Recognition and reward systems motivate Lean adoption. Encourages knowledge sharing across diverse global teams. Lean is adaptable to service industries when strategically implemented. Thank you. My colleague Sujit will take over the next slide.
Impact assessment operation environment. The operational reduce lead times, favor errors, and improved customer satisfaction. And environmental, lower emissions and energy usage due to effective routing. Culturals, increased co- collaboration and continuous improvement mindset. Overall leans enhance DHL global operatives and sustainability. I'm going to the next slide. Mitigation strategies for lean challenges. Conduct regular leans workshops to build understanding. Uh, Foster open communication to reduce employee resistance. Tailor leans tools to fit local context and culturals. Introduce reward system for innovation and productivity. Establish global lean motivation team for consistency. And the next slide, global best practices. Toyota Foundation of Lean uh, philosophy through PTS. Amazon applies leans in warehousing and supply chains for speed. FedEx use Lean Six Sigma for continuous delivery improvement. DHL uh, benchmarks against the leaders to remain competitive and innovative. Continue benchmarking, ensure global operation exchanges. In the next slide, recommendation: integrate a lean and environmental, social governance goals for long-term impact. Use and based analyzed to enhance a lean decision making. Encourage cross-border knowledge exchanging at, on lean success stories. Foster continuous improvement culture across all global hubs. Align leans with sustainability reporting metrics for transparency. The next one. Conclusion. Lean products is powerful operating strategy shaped by globalization. And the other one, DHL demonstrates how lean can balance efficiency with environment responsibilities. Successfully implementation required leadership, technology, integration, and employees in involvements. Lean and green Scientific is the key to sustainability, global service operation for sustainability, logistics, and the reference. Thank you.